Welcome back to Savage 911. I've pretty much done with the bodywork now, and next step was some fuel hosing. So the breather line inside was toast. This used to be clear VC, which is super stiff and orange now. And the fuel pickup line underneath was really brittle and actually had a crack in it. So you can see it split right through there. So I had to replace that with some new 9.5 millimeter reinforced fuel hosing. It's really stiff stuff. It's quite hard to get on. But I got that on, and before I put that cover panel, underbody cover panel back on, I want to just put some fuel into it and make sure it's all tight. I definitely don't want any leaking fuel anywhere, so I just want to make sure everything's good there. And then it's pretty much ready for paint. So I need to get the wheels back on, off the jacks, and out of this garage so I can get it off to the painter and bring it to the next step. So that's pretty exciting. All right, let's see how we go.
So there was a bit of metal work to do before I took it to the painters. I needed to find this other deck lid that had had the Porsche lettering on it before, but it had been bogged over, grind it all back and drill out all the holes. So I had a good template for where I need to drill the holes on the petrol blue car, because he wanted to add all these letters and badges back in, including the 911E badge. And then at the front, you can see on this example, there's a bit of a bridge that goes down the side where the guards attach at the very, very front. And so I had to template it up and cut out some metal to rebuild those bridges. It's a bit of fiddly work and it's not perfect, so I'll have to tack these for now and leave it for the painter. And then the biggest panel gap that we have is on this front left quarter where it meets the door. I'm not super happy with this, but I'm not capable of fixing this, so the panel guy will have to help with this one too.
Well, we're finally ready for paint. I've got it back on its front suspension. I've got some flat six Fuchs wheels on it. Actually, the original wheels, no surprise, were turbo wide wheels, so I've had to go with the narrow wheels, which actually look really good. Panel gaps are okay at the moment. I think good enough to take to the body shop and they'll sort out the little millimeters here and there. Front guard, I think, looks good. Back guard looks good. It's got petrol, it's ready to go. So let's see if I can get it started up and on the truck and off to paint. And there we go, all on the truck and on its way to paint. Thanks for watching Savage 911. See you when it comes back from paint. Bye.